How to add the signatures in the Outlook. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add the signatures in your outlook.com. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Outlook account. So now once you are logged in, here in the top right corner there is the gear icon, and here this is basically the settings of the Outlook. You have to click on it, and from here you just have to go on the mail, and here is the option of the compose and the reply. You have to click on it. Now once you are in, here is the edit and the choose signatures that will be automatically added to your email messages. Now to add the new signature you just have to click on the plus new signature, and here you have to add the signature name. And after adding the signatures, here you have to add the signatures that you want to add in your signature sign, and after that here you just have to click on the save. So once you save the signatures, now as you can see that if you scroll down a little bit, here is the option of the select default signatures. Now there is basically two options for the new messages. Now here you have to select the example and the current signature that you want to add, and here is the for replies or the forwards. Here you also have to select it, and you just have to click on the save. And that's how you can add the signatures in your Outlook application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.